So we are ready again with our materials for another workshop at a new location. So the workshop was for fridge magnet making and all the material were provided in this workshop to everyone.
This is also nice, but we have to make one smiley in the cloud. When we are happy, so make a big cloud. Give me one. I don't have to make. I was not happy. You can stick
So initially we have planned that everyone will make 2 to 3 magnets, but the workshop was super hit and they enjoyed it a lot that they end up making 4 to 5 magnets each. You can see the happiness, the chit chat and the fun they are having with their colleagues and making our aim a big success, that employees in an organization should be relieved from their work pressure. How was the workshop?
So it's amazing. It's really mind-blowing and very stressless. I'm feeling very relaxed after doing this.
Thank you so
So
much.
much, and your guidance was awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please show us what you have made.
So this sunflower with butterfly, just flower.
Nice.
This is for my brain.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
fab, and we had a really good time making these.
What else you have made?
So we've made ice cream, sunflower. This was my initial speed.
Nice.
Pizza.
Please provide us the feedback.
It was lovely session. I love making my small ice cream and my secret. Thank you. This is my. This is my plan and a magnet fellow. I had a great time learning about this, and I'm so glad I got a huge break from work to be able to do this, and it was a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was really fun.
Thank you.
Feedback.
Nice.
मजा आ गया.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too. Thank you. Cool. You like the workshop?
Yeah, a lot.
Give me a review.
It was super fun, and we had had a blast and an amazing time. Thank you.
She is my manager, and we both are not working. We are doing this, and we have tried to make almost everything we knew how to. So this was amazing, and looking forward to it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.